Look how gorgeous that is. And it's so freaking good. Hi, I'm Zena with ClubMagicHour.com, and I have formulated some cold steep iced teas for you to enjoy all year round, but particularly during the hot summer days. So today we are going to be making a mocktail out of the delicious butterfly blue coconut cream. And this tea is a silver needle white tea, which is full of antioxidants and skin beautifying ingredients. And I blended it with coconut as well as vanilla and butterfly pea flower. All you do is you put the gorgeous loose leaves into one of these cold steep iced tea bags. They come with the packaging, by the way. And you let it cold steep for at least an hour. Just get some fresh pineapple. You can use canned pineapple or you can thaw out frozen pineapple as well. 4 ounces of the cold steeped iced tea, 1 ounce of a sweetener. I like to use agave because I like the extra minerals that I get from the raw agave. And then you're gonna do 2 ounces per drink of coconut milk. So now what you do is you shake it. You can do this with or without ice cubes, but I think these are awfully fun. And all I did was take the tea and then just threw it in an ice cube tray overnight. So we have these really fun little ice cubes you can add. I'm gonna pour this over that. And I like a little bit of nutmeg on my tropical drinks. This is a very Pina Colada flavor profile. And there you go. You've got a organic blue butterfly coconut cream mocktail pina colada, and look how gorgeous that is. This is one way to get your antioxidants, to boost your immune system, to make your skin more beautiful, and to go alcohol-free and hydrating all summer long.